So guys, nagbabalik na naman tayo dito sa Kuya Flo TV guys. Kakain ako ng biscuit guys. Tignan nyo guys. Yung yung fun square. Lang guys. So guys, fun square. Ito na guys. Yung kapatid ko. Papa, ayun yung excited. Yung kanina, yung may naka.
Learn to talk with the baby.
Today, let's pretend we have to take care of 4 babies.
Baby.
Can you help
Alam nila
me take care of the babies?
Blood and makeup po na ako.
Thank you. Get out your baby dolls or stuffed animals and pretend along with me. What's that sound? One of the babies is crying? What do we do? Should we get the baby a bottle? Yeah? Maybe that will help. This is a bottle of milk. Good job.
And guys, yung isda ko nasa taas na. And guys,
Giving the baby a bottle. Giving the baby a bottle of milk. All done.
Niisip ko ba ito
ayan guys, ito.
Kasi yan, nagsisend madali na.